G'day guys, Matty from Fourbies Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to cut the ram up. Like, a little bit nervous to be honest, but I'm going to be putting on this awesome 40-inch light bar from Perception Lighting, and there's a spot that I absolutely love where they do it on the 2500s. A few people do it over in the States for the 1500s as well, but not a Laramie. So we're going to be fitting it right up in here, which means I'm going to cut all this section out. We're going to move the number plate up, get rid of the tow hooks, and yeah. So I'm going to get rid of this plastic thing to begin with. See, there's nothing behind here. So I'm going to measure it, cut it up, get a little bit of spray paint. I'm going to drop these tow hooks off. A few people are probably going to go, why do you want to get rid of them? Stock models don't even come with them, and let's be serious, you can pull me out from the rear. If you can't get me from the front, then I'm going to have bigger problems. So drop them off anyway. Let's see if this works. I'm so nervous. I'm about to cut the most expensive car I've ever owned in my life with an angle grinder. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm just using one of these. Seriously, you just pop these out, and then there's a couple of bolts holding it in. So we'll drop that off as well. Should be all good. 210 mils. That's all. First bit of the car off. So next bit, I'm going to drop these off. I think they're 18s from memory, but we'll drop these tow hooks off, and then we'll start looking at this front bumper. So they're 18s. Rattle these off and see what happens. Definitely a good heavy duty tow hook, I tell you. Bloody hell. Righto. So got the little inserts out. They're a little bit tricky, but you just pull them out coming from the inside and drop this number plate bracket off, and then we'll start measuring the scary part. Bloody hell. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this part out here. Hopefully turns out as good as what I hope. Otherwise I've just ruined this whole bumper. Just gonna do some measuring. It's 80 mil. So I'm pretty much gonna try and get some marks across it, and then we'll measure again and measure again. lay a tape line out, and then I'll think about cutting. I'm so not keen on the cutting part. Here goes nothing. Be able to just, that's not hot. Can you just grab that before it drops? It's not hot.
Gosh, thick bumper.
A lot thicker than what I thought. It's all cut, tapes off. Looking pretty good. Bit of a test fit. Yes, that looks awesome. Now to try and mount it. Do is this light comes with the brackets that wrap around the back of it, So they'll sit in there, and then we're going to mount it to these holes just here on either side, and that should hold it sweet. So let's give it a go. So got it all sitting there, and apparently looks good out there. So we'll nip it up, and we could be done. Then just wire it up. Awesome. So it's all in there. Ended up going down and grabbing some pinch weld just to finish it off nice and tidy. I'm trying to keep everything nice and neat on this car, as it is my pride and joy. But hopefully on Wednesday my Eleco mate's going to come and hook it all up for me, so it will be up and running. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll bring you a new video soon. Have a good one.